And you motherfuckers, fuck you all. Fuck you the motherfucking all. Man, what the fuck you think this is? You think cause you're fucking around? Sit the fuck down, give me your shit. Give me all your motherfucking shit. Take it all, motherfucker.
Cutting out the tension, knocking gun and bought some vengeance. Ripping it wide, watch me slide up on the scene. I'm picking up the gun machine. Say your piece before I leave, cause there will be a beef for wasting time. And I don't want you on my fucking lot. Let me give you something just to